Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I just wanted to give you an update on my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie, on Etsy. So it's Dear Julie Julie, all one word, and it is a shop full of, it does have junk journals ready for purchase, as well as kits. And so like this is a Santa kit. My Christmas kits are all shipping in legal flat rate envelopes, and that's so that your papers are not folded. I don't like to get my papers already folded in half, so because I like to do other types of folding. So that's why I choose to send your kits in the legal flat rate envelope. So this is a Santa kit. I have several Christmas kits available, and for the weekend during the sale, I am putting together a special little package. So not only do you get 20% off any purchase that you make in the shop, so that's digital kits, anything, but if you purchase a Christmas kit, a physical Christmas kit, you're also going to receive a little care package, and each one will have one of these little stockings that I made out of Christmas material. They are random variety. I tried to match what your theme for your kit was with your little stocking, and then you get some other random little goodies. But the other one really cool thing is you get some type of the numbers 1 through 25. So each Christmas kit purchased, physical Christmas kit purchased during this sale, this Labor Day sale, will receive one of these little extra kits, and the kit will have one of the random little stockings that I've made. They're all different. They're all different, and then you'll get a stocking. You'll get the numbers 1 through 25 in some form. I have several different ones. I will also again try and match the kit that you've purchased, and I have others as well. And then you'll get some just random little pieces of Christmas items that match, also match your kit. So, and then if they fit in the stocking, I will put them in. If they don't, then you'll find them in the side of your kit. So that is the special. So 20% off everything in my shop. If you have a special order, I will be putting those in the shop today, and you can also purchase your special order at 20% off. And so it includes all the journals, all the kits, all of the digital kits. Digital kits are ready for immediate download. If you are crafting this weekend and you are going to be crafting Christmas, I have several Christmas digital kits in the shop. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you check out my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie, all one word, Dear Julie Julie. That is my shop. I will put the link to the shop in the down below. And hopefully later today, I will be doing a video that goes over all the Christmas kits. Now, the Countdown to Christmas kit is already sold out. The Country Christmas is close. Frosty is close. So if you were looking at those, Jolly Santa, if you were looking at those kits, Jolly Santa is the totally retro kit. Then you might want to go ahead and purchase those this weekend. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy Labor Day weekend. Do something special. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.